In this lesson, we're going to talk about numerical calculation using multiplication formula. If we have a plus b squared, binomial square, is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? If it's a minus b, the middle term is minus 2ab. And we also know that a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, right? So using this formula, we're going to calculate these numbers right here. Okay, 104 squared, that's actually equal to 100 plus 4 squared, right? Just like binomial square. So that is equal to 100 squared, first term squared, plus 2 times first term times the second term, plus the second term square, right? So 100 squared, that's 10,000, plus 2 times 4, that's 8. 8 times 100, that's 800. Is it plus? We have a 4 square, 16, right? So that is equal to 10,816, right? 10,816. Okay, let's try 99 squared. That's actually 100 minus 1 square, right? So binomial square again. First term square minus 2 times first term times the second term plus second term square. So that is equal to 10,000 again minus 200 plus 1. So 10,000 minus 200, that's 9,800. And plus 1, that's 9,801, right? Now that 9,801. Okay, number 2, we have 101 times 99. We can rewrite this number as 100 plus 1 times 100 minus 1, right? Just like a plus b, a minus b, right? That's what? A squared minus b squared. So we can expand this using number 2 formula right here. 100 squared minus 1 squared. So 100 squared, 10,000. Minus 1 squared, 1. So that's going to be 9,999. Right? Okay, let's try example 3. The question is to calculate the following using the multiplication formula. Number 1, we have 102 squared. That's actually equal to, in binomial, 100 plus 2 squared, right? So binomial square, first term square plus 2 times first term, second term plus second term square. So 100 squared, that's 10,000. 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 100, that's 400. Plus 2 squared, that's 4. So that's going to be 10,404. Right? Number 2, we have 1,003 times 997. We can rewrite 1,003 as 1,000 plus 3. 997, that's 1,000 minus 3. So a plus b, a minus b form, right? That's going to be a squared minus b squared. So 1,000 squared minus b squared, 3 squared, right? 1,000 squared, it has 6 zeros, that's 1 million, right? So 1 million minus 3 squared, 9. So that's gonna be 999,999 and 991, right? Checkpoint 3. The question is to calculate the following using the multiplication formula. Number 1, we have 98 squared. 98, we can write 98 as 100 minus 2. So that's 100 minus 2 squared. Binomial square, right? So that's going to be equal to first term squared minus 2 times first term times the second term plus second term squared. So 100 squared, that's 10,000. 10,000, right? So 2 times 2, that's 4. So minus 400. 2 squared plus 4, right? So 10,000 minus 400, that's 9,600. So 9,600 plus 4, that's going to be 9,604. 9,604, right? Number 2, we have 9.8 times 10.2. Okay, this one can be written as 9.8, that's 10 minus 0.2. 10.2, that's 10 plus 0.2, right? So this is a minus b, a plus b form, right? Then that's going to be equal to a squared minus b squared. So that's 10 squared minus 0.2 squared, right? So 100. 10 squared is 100 minus 0.2 squared, that's 0.04, right? So that is equal to 99.96. Number 3, 101 times 103. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. 103, that's 100 plus 3. So binomial times binomial, right? So that is equal to FOIL, first times the first. 100 squared. Outer, 100 times 3, that's 300. Inner, 1 times 100, that's 100. Last, 1 times 3, that's a 3. So this is 10,400 plus 3, right? So this is a 10,403.